Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Friday and we're getting ready to film a mukbang. Here is the water. We're just waiting on it to boil. Corn, we usually do fresh corn, but they were all out. The Hillshire Farm beef smoked sausage. I also like these Azar. They're really good. Oh, I picked up this new hand soap. It's a luxury hand soap from Home Goods. It's the Meyer lemon. It smells really nice. So we just got that sitting over there. But yeah, so we're getting ready to do the seafood boil, and of course I'll show you guys how the seafood looks when it's done. I did not say no.
You said something.
What I said?
Yes.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, you remember. I remember.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. The seafood boil mukbang. I have some Dungeness crab legs here, sausage, corn, and potatoes. For today's drink, I'm just doing a flight of different drinks here. And what you having, Tony?
Good old rum and coke.
Happy Friday. So I got 2 packages in today. They were in my P.O. box, so let's open them up and see what's inside. This is from Phyllis Dozer. So let's see. Wrapped up all nice. Hopefully y'all can see me and it's not too bright. I know this is a bad angle. Okay, I can tell it's from Marshall's. So I wonder. I think I know what this is. They wrap this real good. I think I know what this is. Y'all see the Marshall's bag. I think I know. Apple pumpkin. Oh. Yeah. Thank you so much. This was so sweet. I'm set. I don't have to buy candles no more this year or next year. I think I'm good. All right, let's see what's in the other box. All right, I do have a box cutter, y'all, but it's in Tony's toolbox. So before somebody say, you need a box cutter, I have one. All right, let's see what this is. And this is from Sham Dipping Sauce. Oh, thank you. They sent me 2 sauces, seafood sauces. So this is how the sauce looks. Can y'all see this? They just sent over 2. Thank you very much. This is an extra spicy and probably like a mild. Yeah, this is probably the mild one. Y'all see that? So thank you so much. All right, y'all, so I'm at Starbucks and I just ordered Sophia. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, but she told me to order a iced chai latte with pumpkin foam and add pumpkin topping. So that's what I have right here. I just got a tall one, so I'm gonna try this. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yes, ma'am. Now I can do that. Okay, that's my new drink. That's my new drink. So I'm gonna try to put it along the screen. I hope I'm saying it. Is iced chai latte, add pumpkin cream. I think she said pumpkin foam, but it says pumpkin cream on the sticker. So it's iced chai latte, add pumpkin cream and pumpkin topping. Girl, yes. Now I can do this. This is doable. This is really good. I found my favorite fall drink. Happy Saturday.
I'm gonna keep it though. What's up, y'all? Out here doing my thing, you know. The crab king, not king, but king. That's what I do.
Tell me what you're expecting, sir.
I'm expecting to catch some big crabs, you know. I at least I wouldn't mind catching jumbos, but I know I'll probably get like a few large, a few mediums. It's all good.
How long are you staying out here, sir?
Probably about 2 hours. You know how I am.
What about the corona?
Man.
This is Tony, this is my son, and this is his cousin Jonathan, and they're in a crabbing competition right now.
Yep.
So who's in the lead?
Nobody. We can't catch anything.
Nah.
Who's gonna win?
Me, of course.
Yeah. Me.
I am a professional. I do this. I promise.
Okay.
Then why haven't you caught
that don't matter right now. We just got out here.
Bro, we got out here like an hour ago. What you mean?
An hour ago? More like 10 minutes ago. But by the time we leave here, I'm gonna get like 15. All right.
Stop capping.
I promise.
That's cap.
I promise. Bro,
Look at this dude.
I promise. I promise. That's all you
How
got.
many are you gonna catch, Jonathan?
At least like, I'm a 1-up him
2.
in 16.
Okay.
Oh.
It's slippery and you got tongues.
Actually got it.
Who's in the lead, sir?
Me? Y'all see what I'm working with right here? About like 15 pounds of pure crab meat.
How does that make you feel, sir, that you haven't caught anything?
I'm sad.
She fought all the other ones in 1 hour.
Yeah, she did. Hello, honey. Look at that.
What?
That is a big girl. That's a big girl right there, boy. She's a jumbo, super jumbo. What is she from tip to tip? She at least 7 or 8 inches. That is huge.
2 more.
Yeah. She is a large. I'm getting myself.
Last time moving it. I promise.
You keep lifting it up in and out. Give me Jonathan, bring me the bucket, please, sir.
And see, if I throw a net out there,
Okay.
it's over. But I don't want to start nothing, because I'm the crab queen.
Honey,
Look at that.
get the crowd, get the things.
One of them leaving.
An escapee. Push him over, John. Just let him go.
I think Jonathan's in the lead, y'all.
You want to keep that one?
Yeah.
But y'all, Tony just caught a puffer fish.
Yeah.
So disgusting.
Hopefully the crab won't grab you. Why'd you blow up?
Hurricane like.
All right, y'all. It's 60. So we made it back home. Here's the crabs.
Got them on ice, y'all, so that's why they're not moving crazy, but
Yeah.
some of them still want to move.
They got some really nice sizes. So
Oh, yeah.
the contest, Lil Tony ended up catching 13 and Jonathan caught 9. But they all wasn't keepers, so most of these in here,
These are the
Big Tony
keepers,
caught.
yeah. Yeah, these are the big ones, y'all. Big, nice ones. See that? Nice, ain't it? Nice crab, y'all. Nice crabs.
Yeah, so fun. So I wanted to show you guys my cute little water jug. Y'all know that I am a big water drinker, but I needed something to take to the gym with me, so I ordered this from Amazon. I posted it on my Instagram and everybody was asking me about it. It just has this little thing here that says bottled joy. This is how the top looks, and this is a gallon. And if you guys want to grab you one, check my Amazon link in the description box. I just got home from Rainbow because I like to go up there to grab like my shirts that I work out in. So these are just like some little muscle shirts. I bought a gray one, black one. I think I got a white one and a tan one. But let me show y'all these shoes. They're so cute. What y'all think about these? I think they're so cute. Let me put my foot in. Look at these, y'all. What y'all think? I think they are adorable. They also have the ones that just have like the one little furry part. But I thought these were just so cute. So I grabbed some of these. They were only $12.99. I love them. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Cute. Okay, y'all, so I just got back from the store. We just grabbed, you know, a few things that we were out of. So let me just go through this stuff with you guys really quick. Spinach and spring mix, Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese, turkey bacon, Tostitos, hint of lime, scoops, hot fries, fruit snacks, ramen, Pop-Tarts, OJ, almond milk, sour cream, cheese, guacamole, salsa, honey smoked white turkey, roast beef, honey smoked turkey breast, peaches, plums, oranges, bananas, grapefruit, and limes. And that is it for my quick little grocery store haul. All right, y'all, so quick little update. You guys know that I was on the hunt for what I like to call the teddy bear material pumpkin. I know it's called Sherpa, but it is so adorable. I finally got my hands on one. You guys know that I mentioned that I was looking for one in my last vlog, or maybe 2 vlogs ago, and Chelsea found one last week at Target and she grabbed it for me, and I was so excited because they didn't have them at my Target. Well, they had some at my Target, but they had like orange stripes in the middle and I wasn't feeling that. So she grabbed this one for me. It's so pretty. I think it was only like $3. It's so perfect. Like, look at it, y'all. So perfect. And it's a really nice size, so I love it. It goes perfect in here, don't y'all think? So cute. So I just put it up here. So thank you so much. Of course, I've already told her thank you, but If you're watching this vlog, thanks, boo, because I love my new little pumpkin. Okay, so on Sundays, I try a new wine on my Instagram. Iamsherikab. If you guys don't follow me, you should. And this is a recommendation from one of my followers. I don't know if she follows me on YouTube or just Instagram, but she suggested this slow press. I got it from Total Wine last week when me and Chelsea went to Total Wine. So I'm really excited to try this. It's a Cabernet and it is rich, smooth, and dark, just the way mama likes it.